Hi friends, welcome back. So I'm Payal here and welcome back to Simple Living Wise Thinking, a storytelling video जहाँ पे आप सबके साथ मैं अपना pregnancy story share करूँगी, where I'll share my pregnancy story. So let's go back to the time when I got married. So when I got married, at that time my age was 22 and my hubby's age was 24. So definitely after marriage immediately we didn't think also of having a baby क्योंकि हम लोग दोनों ही we were pretty young and our families also like nobody wanted us to have baby so soon. So I was taking birth control pill. I think so I took birth control pill for around 3 years and yeah, I got pregnant when I was I think so in the four or 4.5 years of our marriage I got pregnant. So while I was taking birth control pill, first it was very good. I was having my normal periods and सभी अच्छा चल रहा था. Then after 2.5 years suddenly I felt that my periods has become like बहुत ही कम होने लगा. It had reduced a lot and I was having lot of irregular periods. So that time I went to the gynec, and whenever you go to the gynec, sometimes gynec asks if you are married that do you want to conceive, for that you want to leave birth control, and we were like no, we don't, like I was like no, I don't want to conceive, अभी मुझे नहीं करना है, but definitely why my periods are irregular I want to know. Then the gynec told us okay, you do a sonography. Then I went and I did a sonography and yeah, lot of other tests. So बहुत सारे tests उसने कराए and then she told me that you have little bit of like polycystic ovary syndrome जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, जिसको PCOD या PCOS बोलते हैं. So she told me that you have little bit of that. We have done all the tests. So that time she gave me some medicines, अब मुझे याद नहीं है, but I didn't take any of the medicines क्योंकि I was very like बहुत ही डर लगता है medicine लेने में and I am a very like I think a lot. So I was like no, I won't take any medicine. And I called my uncle, he's a doctor, so I just told him that should I take this medicine like my mom told, and my uncle was like if she wants she can take, but if she don't want no need to take. So I didn't take any medicine and all. And in the middle, I know in 2007, in 2007 or 2006, that time we came to US again and we both stayed for 1 year. And during that time, like as my hubby used to go to work and यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे क्या करे, बोर लगता है. So I started exercising, I started again walking. So I started losing weight. And then suddenly I felt that my periods has become like regular. My periods became very regular. So after 1 year in 2007, कुछ ऐसा date, कुछ ऐसा, it can be little bit here and there. So anyhow, then we went to India, and then we thought कि okay, it's going to be 4 years हो रहे शादी को, and you know family also they start giving you pressure that have baby, and we were really we were well settled, we had our own home and all the other things. So all were like no, it's 4 years now, have baby. So we thought okay, let's have baby, but I was very scared because I knew that polycystic ovary syndrome, if you have, it's very hard to get baby, many of them told me, and some of my friends also were suffering. So again we went to the doctor, like the same gynec which I have shown, I think so 1.5 year back. So then she again told कि okay, do all the tests. So मैंने सब test कराए, and then she was like you know you don't have any polycystic ovary now, everything like there is some point जो वो लोग देखते हैं, वो अगर ज़्यादा हो blood में, so then they say. So she was like no, everything is fine, give it a try. And she's like if nothing happens then we are there. So we thought okay, let's give it a try. And trust me guys, मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, I remember in November we thought of having baby, and December I conceived. And we thought okay, as no, it's very common when immediately after marriage you have a kid, but if you give a long period of time तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता ही है, ये बहुत ही कॉमन है. Many of you might have faced that or many of you might have heard that. तो मुझे लगा, हम लोग को लगा definitely थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा ही. But in December I remember, and that year I remember Om Shanti Om had released and lot of other movies had released. So it was amazingly that I got pregnant. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. And like my periods, I think so it was 4 days I didn't have my periods, and my hubby was like, do a test. And that time we were in my mom's house because Christmas चल रहा था, so he had a vacation, like he had holidays, so हम लोग मम्मी के घर पे गए थे. So he was like, do test करो. So then I did the test and it was positive. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गई. So we were so happy that we went to the same gynec only, and she was like, okay, let me confirm, if you want to confirm more so we'll run like the जैसे टेस्ट करते, ब्लड टेस्ट करते. Then she did and she was like, yeah, it's confirmed, you are pregnant. तो चलो हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मैं खुश हो गई. And my hubby was so happy, like till now I remember that when he heard he was crying and my mother got scared क्योंकि मम्मी को पता नहीं चला कि what happened, why my hubby is crying. And then I told that I'm pregnant. तो सभी लोग बहुत खुश हो गए. And then started the pregnancy journey, which is from like 9 months journey. So trust me, throughout the pregnancy मैं बहुत अच्छी थी. I was really healthy, and in my pregnancy I gained only 10 kgs. Yeah, I remember I gained only 10 kgs. And I used to eat like very healthy meal जैसे होता है. Till 3 months I didn't do that much of a work and all, but after 4 months, after 3 months I was very active. I used to go for evening walk, like मैं daily जाती थी. And like मैं घर का काम में definitely मैं नहीं करती थी. Single work I used to do. Everyone used to pamper me so much. तो बहुत अच्छा था. I didn't have any problem. Like many people, when you get pregnancy, आपके like you get pressure हो जाता. You might have diabetic or you might have high pressure जो हो जाता है. But I didn't have any problem, and throughout the pregnancy, like I was eating healthy, because many people when we get pregnant we don't have that much healthy food, but I was having healthy like daily. My mom made it a point कि daily में soup पियो. So the cook, she used to come and the first thing she used to make soup, and like very healthy I used to eat. In the evening time I remember daily मैं और मेरी मम्मी we used to go for a walk. So then came the time of my delivery, and before, I think so 2 weeks before due date, that time I was feeling little bit uneasy, especially from 9 months, and I felt that definitely baby jaldi आने वाला है. My due date was on 2nd September till now I remember, but Rai was born on 14 August. Doctor, it was time of my checkup, so she looked at me and she was like, let's go for C-section. पर definitely मुझे normal delivery चाहिए था. And my hubby was like, why not normal, because everything is fine, she don't have any problem. Like कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहता है then it's fine, okay, if sometimes the pressure is high or some other case, but she was like, everything is fine, why do you want a like a C-section? And my doctor was like, no, C-section will be good. And immediately they told the rate of the C-section and all that, and so let's go for C-section because doctor is saying and we have a trust. So we said okay, we'll go for C-section. And then the doctor told us that you tell us the date when to do, because हम लोग C-section कर रहे हैं. And definitely then I told my mom, and mom, she asked everyone, like हम लोग जैसे पूछते हैं. And then we got the time and the date when we will do. So we did, the time was in 14 August and it was between 12:30 to 1. We told that the C-section should happen. So doctor told okay, one day before, like in 13 August, come to the get admitted in the hospital. So then came 14 August and सुबह में they came and they started giving me the drip, because whenever you are having C-section, before that they give you drip and all. And it was absolutely fine. I remember till now at 12 o'clock they took me to the operation theater, and then the anesthetist, he gave me epidural जिसको बोलते हैं, in which your lower part of your body will be senseless. He gave me that. So then I had delivery, and yeah, I was born and everyone was very happy. Like when the baby is born, they just show you and they take immediately baby to a different room, and then they kept me in a different recovery room. And whenever they give epidural, so once the operation, like once the surgery is done, after that I think so your sense, like your lower body sense, come within 1 hour. But पता नहीं क्या हुआ, I didn't have any sense. 1 hour चला गया and my hubby and all, they all were like happy and fine. I didn't see anyone क्योंकि I was in a different room. Immediately they took me to the recovery room and the doctor, she came and she told me that yeah I have shown your baby to your hubby and your mom and dad and they all are very happy. And then she kept me in the recovery room. 1 घंटा हो गया. Like the nurse is coming and asking me that do you have any sense in your leg, and I'm like no, till now I don't have any sense. 2 घंटा हो गया, till now I don't get, मुझे कुछ सेंस ही नहीं है लोअर बॉडी पे क्या हो रहा है. And I don't know where is, like मेरे हबी और मेरी मम्मी पापा, where are everybody, because no one, they are like they are, nobody is allowed inside. It's like in a totally different area पे वो लोग रखते हैं. And like तो और मैं तो like I was so worried because I was seeing ladies who are having like surgery, they are coming and within like 1 hour, within like half an hour सबका sense आ रहा है and they are taking them to their room. So I remember my sense came at 6 o'clock. So till 6 hours my like lower body had no sense. Like they were coming and they were like, do you have sense? So first I remember my like my right leg में थोड़ा जैसा sense, I could feel my fingers and all. So I was like yeah, एक leg में sense आ गया but एक leg में अभी तक sense नहीं आया. And outside my hubby was so worried. He was like क्या हो गया, because he was like seeing, we were seeing that so many delivery happened and the ladies also अच्छे हो गए, like they are taking them to their room but तुम नहीं आ रही हो. And everybody was so worried and my hubby, he was so worried कि क्या हो गया, it's been around so many hours, where is my wife, what is happening, क्या हो रहा है. Then after 6 hours मेरा सेंस आया and trust me, मुझे अभी तक भी पता नहीं है why this thing happened to me. Did they give me too much epidural or what happened? Why my body took such a long time to have full sense? Now also when I think, really I get so scared that why I didn't have sense for so many hours. So anyhow at 6 then they brought me to the room and still I remember my hubby इतने ज़्यादा वो tense थे. And I didn't see Rai only like when they do your operation and they show you. So one time I just saw and then I didn't see her at all. तो फिर then I told my mom that show मुझे दिखाओ, because I didn't see only her. So anyhow like this Rai was born. And तब उसके बाद after that, you know, when you have C-section, I don't know how many of you have faced it. I had tremendous pain for 1 week. I have heard that if you have natural delivery, once the baby pops out, everybody told कि उसके बाद इतना दर्द नहीं होता है because it's a natural way. But in C-section it seems your body don't know what is happening, so it takes little bit time to react. तो मुझे याद है my lower leg इतना ज़्यादा दर्द कर रहा था. Like for 1 week I had tremendous pain. I was not able to do anything. So this is how Rai was born. And yeah, definitely one more thing I want to share with all of you, that I am so concerned always. I say organic, that eat healthy or eat nice stuff. That for Rai also, after she was born, I only gave her breast milk. Till 2 years Rai had only breast milk. She didn't drink any other milk because मुझे लगा that this is a very good way. And whenever, like here also, after we came in 1 year, and I used to say my doctor that I am giving her breast milk, and she's like, very good, this is the best thing to do. If you have milk, definitely give to your child. So I will definitely encourage that to any of the new mom or those of you who are pregnant now. If you can give your child breast milk, एक बच्चे के लिए अच्छा रहता है. So if you can, definitely give your child breast milk. So with this I will end today's video, or I hope so you all have enjoyed this video. If so, definitely give this video a big like, do comment down below, and if you have little bit of your pregnancy story, chota mein hi ho, you can share with me. I'll be very happy to know your story too. And yeah, those of you who are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe. That's it for today, everyone. Bye bye.